Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shin from my Sagari channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na ang mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, ano ang mensahe sa'yo ng ating gabay? Bigyan mo po ako, Anghel, Seven Archangels, ng isang pasabog at bulabog ngayong linggong to para sa ating mga kapatid na Pisces. There's a Queen of Wands. There's an information or kumbaga confident, no? Magdadala sa inyo ng confident, stability, control. What is additional messages? And of course, there's a Four of Cups. Reevaluate, analyze, no? Kailangan bago mo tanggapin yung isang offer, kailangan confident ka na alam mo yung ginagawa mo, 'di ba? Kumbaga, titignan mo muna or sisiyasatin mo muna kung yung offer na to is makakabuti sa'yo. So, let's see. And of course, there's an information na sinasabi dito na there's a Ten of Swords. There's a backstabbing, betrayal, deceptions. Kumbaga, meron ditong, kumbaga, there's an information na parang nagkaroon ng traidoran, no? And of course, there's an Hermit card. Kumbaga, there's a spiritual values or spiritual enlightenment. Nagkaroon ng kaliwanagan dito. Ginawang karoon ng spirituality dito, T. No? Okay, binakfire ka, binackstab ka. At the same time, there's a King of Wands. And of course, there's a Five of Wands, no? Kumbaga, kontrolado mo naman at the same time. Pero there's a struggles or battling, no? Kumbaga, meron talagang arguments or competition against dito. Let's see. And of course, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. Meron ditong, kumbaga, confident is key to success, diba? Kumbaga, there's a Nine of Cups, there's a wish fulfillment coming in for you. Excuse me. And of course, there is an Eight of Cups. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na let go, no? Kumbaga, i-analyze mo muna at kung alam mong makakabuti sa'yo and go on. And of course, kung hindi makakabuti sa'yo, let go. Diba? And of course, there's a Queen of Pentacles. There's mature and grounded pagdating sa finances. No? Maging practical ka raw. Madalas dyan talaga inaano ka, tinatrader ka pagdating sa finances. And of course, there's a Page of Wands. There's a good news or there's a news coming in for you. No? May balita dito or may mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. No? What is the King of Wands? There's an Emperor. There's a mature enough. There's a grounded. Kailangan stricto ka dito and control mo isang situation. What is the Five of Wands? Ang daming ganap. Hindi pa natin mahagilap. And of course, there's a Three of Wands. Waiting for a result and waiting for a shift. Kumbaga, itong may mga bagay na inaantay ka pero there's a battling, no? Kumbaga, parang hindi makarating-rating tong balita na to. Kumbaga, may humaharang something. What is the Queen of Wands and the Knight of Cups? Okay. There is a Two of Wands. There's a decision. There's a two-path, no? Kailangan mo magdesisyon. May mga bagay na kailangan mong pagdesisyonan. At the same time, what is the Four of Cups and the Eight of Cups? There's a Devil. See? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na hindi pa to nakaka-move on. Some of you ginawan to ng black magic involved with the Four of Cups na parang may pinakain or may pinainom. The Devil card, there's a negative energy na ginawa sa kanya. What is the Ten of Swords or sa'yo? And because there's a Word card, see? Itong tao na to, it's either nasa ibang bansa o nandito lang sa Pilipinas. The word represent a trouble, no? Kumbaga, baka some of you, gusto mo mga ibang bansa pero hinaharang, di ba? What is the King of Wands? What is the Hermit card in the Page of Wands? There's a Ten of Cups. There's an happiness, no? Sa likod niya magiging masaya ka at talagang siguro dahil naiingit siya sa'yo. And because there's an high fist, there's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies, no? Kumbaga maging mature and grounded ka dito. Kasi sinasabi dito na parang there's an unexpected moment na mangyayari dito. Kontrolado mo naman. And of course, at the same time, kumbaga there's a mystery behind. May mga bagay na parang hindi mo pa nalalaman. Lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. At the same time, there's the moon card. Ooh. There's a revelation, no? There's an dreams. Talagang meron ditong spirituality talagang gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa some of you ha, nananaginip ka talaga ng may nakikita akong tubig dito, no? May nakakapanaginip ka ng tubig. Nakakapanaginip ka dito ng basta nagdadaan siya sa panaginip. Okay, what is the additional messages? The Queen of Wands, the Knight of Cups, the Two of Wands. There's some information, give me an information to clarify. There's an everything is fine. Ngayon parang bigla kang magiging okay na. No, parang biglang nabunutan ng tinik. So what is the Four of Cups and the Eight of Cups and of course the Devil card? There's a Knight of Swords. Taking action. Kailangan mo mong kumilos kasi there's a success coming in. Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng mabilisang eksena dito. What is kumbaga okay, thank you. Nagkakaroon daw ng impatient ha, yung parang nagiging pala decision ka raw dito. Kailangan hindi ka pwedeng magpala decision basta-basta. No, kailangan pag-isipan mo. Okay, nagiging dito parang bilisan daw. Ako, there's a Ten of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles and the World card, there's a Three of Cups. There's a celebration. There's a third party involved. Okay, there's a socialize. No, pakikipag-socialize, binabackstab ka na, hindi mo pa alam. At the same time, there's a Six of Swords. No, there's a transition. May mga bagay na kailangan mo nang i-let go. May mga bagay na kailangan mo nang umalis sa sitwasyon. So, what is the King of Wands, the Emperor, and the High Priestess? Okay, there's a Justice card. There's some information na magdadala sa'yo ng balance and justisya. No, justice is yours. What is the Five of Wands, the Moon card, and the Three of Wands? There's a Seven of Cups. There's an illusions, confusion. No, parang ginugulo ka dito by your intuitions or panaginip. No, there's a fear. Meron dito ha, kumbaga may natatakot ka na, nangangamba ka dito. May mga possibilities na parang kumbaga feeling mo hindi mo masusolusyonan or something na dreams na nanaginip ka ng hindi maganda. Some of you, what is the outcome? What is the outcome? There's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough about sa partnership, no? Kumbaga, makukuha mo yung para sa'yo. At the same time, there's an offer. Offer for a lifetime. Kumbaga, after mong i-backstab ng tao na to, no? Kumbaga siguro naiinggit dahil you are on the spotlight. Ikaw ang gustuhin. At the same time, there's an Eight of Pentacles, no? It's either baka katrabaho mo to. It's all about work or finances. Kumbaga naiinggit to sa'yo, no? So, let's see. What is the Love Oracle card to clarify this reading? And there's an offer, ha? Oh, let's see. What is about sa career? About sa career, baguhin daw ang perspective. Baguhin mo yung ways on how to handle. And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles. Kapag binago mo rin yung perspective, yung kung paano i-manage yung isang situation, magtutuloy-tuloy. Huwag mo sayangin yung opportunity. Ang dami raw nasasayang. Okay. What is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? There's a photograph. Look at your photos, no? Kumbaga, there's a person na namimiss ka. Tinitignan yung picture mo on social media, and there's a kisses. There's an affection, falling in love. May mukhang tinamaan to sa iyo itong tao na to. Kaya pala, there's a partnership. There's an offer. No, itong tao na to, maaaring nakilala mo na. And of course, this is your moment, no? Parang sa dami mong pinagdaan ng love life, this is the moment na parang hindi lang basta pakilig, 'Di ba? Kumbaga, there is a partnership for a long period of time. So, what is yin and yang, oracle card? So, there is a party. Now, some of you, ha? Kumbaga, baka makilala mo siya in the party. And of course, some of you, there is a seeds, no? Kung ano yung tinanim mo, siya tong aanihin mo. Malapit ka na mag-harvest time. And because there's a reflection. Mag-ingat lang, ha, kung ano yung ginagawa mo, magbabounce back lang sa'yo. So, mag-ingat lang kapag dating sa partnership or relationship, ha, pakitaan ng maayos at maging ayusin. Kasi siguro yung perspective na sinasabi ko, yung personalities mo on how to handle the relationship or yung excuse me, yung attitudes, no, yung discipline. So kailangan mo ng baguhin 'yon. So let's see what is additional messages for romance angels. For romance angels, get my information. So there's a romance feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. And of course, sinasabi dito, religious factors. So some of you, ha, merong about sa religious. And of course, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So ibig sabihin, gawing sentro ang si God sa inyong relasyon. Para at least, lahat ng mga mangyayari ay in God perfect plan. Diba? Kumbaga, ilalagay ka talaga ni God at i-align ka niya in a good way, in a good things, in a good part, no? In a good path. So, what is energy? Energy represents the door to value. So, maraming salapi, maraming opportunities, no? Maraming halaga. And there's a yin and yang. There's a balance. Magiging balance ka daw dito. Spiritual and of course practicality. So what is additional messages? What is additional messages? What is additional messages? There's a relationship. So, pagdating talaga dito, Pisces, may relasyon, no? Talaga may involvement ng relationship pagdating sa'yo. And I told you, there's a discipline, diba? Kailangan nyo ng disiplina. Kasi minsan, bigla kayo nawawala sa align. Pagdating sa, kapag nagkakaroon ka ng relationship, no? Minsan, kasi parang nananaig yung ego. Ganon. And of course, yung pride. Pagdating kasi sa relationship is being transparency. Because there's a dress rehearsal, alternative choice, no? Kailangan choice. And of course, may goodness. Excuse me, namla ko ng water, guys. Nangatila lang muna ko. Thank you. And of course, there's a divinity and an enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity daw dito. At kaliwanagan. Taray, paglilinaw. At pagkaroon ng kaliwanagan. And of course, sinasabi din sa'yo dito, guys, there's an orange for change, no? Pagbabago. No? This is a creativity. Kumbaga, ipakita mo ang totoong ganda ng eksena or yung ganda ng pagkatao mo. Diba? And of course, there's a growth. No? There's an expansion at the same time. And of course, there's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka na. At the same time, there's an impatient. I told you, di ba? There's an impatient. Kumbaga, minsan kasi nagiging pala decision tayo. No? Hindi natin pinag-iisipan minsan ang decision natin. Parang, sige na, laban na yan. No? Minsan ganon. Hindi na natin iniisip yung magiging mangyayari later or kumbaga may mga bagay na binibigla natin, 'di ba? Hindi natin na pag-iisipan ng maayos. Kailangan lahat ay nasa planado, no? Not perfectly kumbaga talagang planning talaga as in. Pero kailangan mo muna pag-isipan bago mo pagdesisyonan para hindi ka na pupunta sa alanganan, 'di ba? Kung kaya ba, 'di ba? Huwag mong ipilit kung hindi kaya. And have faith in your dreams, 'di ba? Magtiwala ka sa iyong pangarap. And of course, step out of your comfort zone. Kailangan mong kumawala sa mga bagay or yung sitwasyon na kinakatakutan mo. Kung asan ka man, 'di ba? Kung parang nahihiya ka, 'di ba? It's time to kapakapalan ng pesti. What is Archangel Michael messages? Use your imagination and you see the answer. 'Di ba? Gamitan mo ng intuitions. Some of you, there's a spiritual abilities. So, gamitin mo yan para matulungan ka. At the same time, prayer will help you from this situation. Magdasal-dasal, 'di ba? Para pandagdag ng attract ng positive energy, and of course, tutulungan tayo ng ating guardian angels, ng ating angel spirit, and of course, rather na ating Panginoon ng universe, 'di ba? Sa mga bagay na kinagagalawan natin, 'di ba? Minsan na may mga problema tayo, hihingiin lang natin sa kanya yung guidance, support, and of course, sasabihin lang natin na kumbaga tulungan tayo sa ganitong sitwasyon, may dumating na instrumento para matulungan tayo, 'di ba? God is provide, tandaan niyo yan. And of course, there's a practice. Kumbaga, kailangan mo i-enhance yung abilities, your skills mo, 'di ba? Makakatulong yan sa'yo. Kasi ang tao may kanya-kanyang abilidad, 'di ba? So what is angel's number messages? What is angel's number messages? So there's a 25. I am intelligent. So kailangan maging matalino ka this time. You have a great ability to take in and process informations on both conscious and at subconscious levels. Our curiosity is endless, and your desires to dive deep into a variety of subject will bring you an immense awareness of the world. See? Kapag talaga alam mo yung ginagawa mo, 'di ba? Kumbaga, yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin na talagang gusto mo talagang maisakatuparan, magagawa mo 'yan eh, 'di ba? Kumbaga, sinasabi na sa dito, mag-ingat lang sa mga bagay or decision mo sa buhay. Get more information before to take an action. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, there's a decision that you need to make. May mga bagay na kailangan mong pag-isipan bago ka magdesisyon. So what is the Jesus loving quotes? What is the Jesus loving quotes, angel spirit guide? There is nothing shall be impossible to you. So, ibig sinasabi dito ng ating Jesus Christ at ating universe na wala daw imposible pagdating sa iyo, no? So, what is Archangel Michael? What is Archangel messages for you? Was Archangel guides with you? Sinong Archangel ang gumagabay sa iyo? Let's see. Meron dito. Archangel Samuel. Choose harmonious response, act with the wisdom and grace. See? Kumaga bigyan ka ng kaliwanagan at bigyan ka ng kalinisan sa mga bagay-bagay na ginagawa mo. 'Di ba? Kailangan tayo mas piliin mong maging mahinahon, 'di ba? What is the messages of life? So, welcoming happiness. So, sinasabi dito ng welcoming happiness, divine love is manifesting in me, through me, and around me. It attracts all that I need for the benefit of my soul. As I work to increase my inner light, it evolved into imitations of love and joy. Today, I reap and welcome the happiness and the beauty of love of all that I sown. Ibig sabihin dito na parang wini-welcome mo na magiging masaya ka whatever happens, whatever you done. 'Di ba? Ano man ang mangyari sa mga sa ibibigay ni God, sino-surrender mo sa kanya na magiging masaya ka sa magiging outcome ng eksena. So this is divine love talaga. Kumbaga there's a love involvement. Kumbaga talagang kumbaga inaalay mo ang puso mo at inaalay mo ang mga mangyayari sa hinaharap. 'Di ba? Kumbaga bahala na si God at bahala na kung ano man yung mangyari. Basta alam mo, nagtitiwala ka in God perfect plan and God perfect will. And of course, sinasabi sa dito na kailangan laging positive lang. There's a positive thinking at saka positive outcome. 'Di ba? Yun yung magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan kapag walang puot at walang galit sa puso mo. Ganun lang. Love, love, love. So this is weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Pisces. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location mo kung asan ka man ngayon para sa susunod na reading natin baka energy mo or yung buhay mo na ang ating mahagilap at ating masagap. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!